it's almost a blow hot, blow cold relationship with China, isn't it? I mean, you just talked about all the reasons why we should not do business with China. And through the COVID period, you were very clear we shouldn't do any business with China. But now you're doing business with China. You've been a joint venture for the electric mobility space with a Chinese company. So do you believe that there is a need to be pragmatic on how we engage with China?
No, absolutely. With any country. In fact, even Pakistan, for that matter, we should be pragmatic.
To deal with Pakistan?
We should be pragmatic.
Yeah.
We should not say that no, nothing doing. So when I said we should not do business with China when Galwan happened, because I was very clear that we cannot deal with an enemy state. Pakistan, for that matter, is an enemy state.
Yeah.
But still, if we work properly, over with a control mechanism, we should open up and do business. Because
with Pakistan?
Even with Pakistan.
Okay.
Because a very poor neighbor will always hurt us. So therefore, we should think, we should have a long term, but this is not a foreign policy discussion that we are having. but my point is that with China, we should, because China has already developed this technology on electric vehicles. Today, 60% of their new car sales are electric or new energy. India, we have 2%. And this is the way forward. We import all our fuel for the cars. All petroleum products are imported, 85–90% is imported. So it's in our interest that we transition ourselves to a technology which is domestic, which is local technology, local.
So bring the technology in from China, but manufacture in India.
Exactly, absolutely. Because technology exists in China. We must develop it over time in India, but we must bring the technology and develop the products in India.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.